All right, the Karen Reed murder retrial picks back up tomorrow as jury selection continues.
And so far, 10 jurors have been seated. 16 total are needed. Our Matt Fortin live outside of the courthouse in Dedham for us. There's a lot to keep track of, Matt, so start us off.
Yeah, well, Lauren, Jeff, there are several legal battles, moving parts, and factors that we are watching as we enter the second week now of jury selection. So we'll go over a few of the highlights to watch for this week as this gets underway. So far, Judge Beverly Canoni, she has told more than 70 potential jurors about the case. 92% said they've heard of the case, 60% reported they had an opinion, and 17% said they had a bias one way or the other. Now, like you said, 10 jurors have so far been selected after 4 days of this process. So while all of that was happening here in Dedham, Reed's legal team, they appealed their double jeopardy case all the way to the Supreme Court. Our legal analyst, Michael Coyne, he is doubtful that this latest appeal will really go anywhere. But we also asked him if he believes it is problematic how quickly these jurors are being seated.
To me, it is, because it raises more concerns about whether people are downplaying their pre-existing belief in either her guilt or her innocence, simply because they want to be good people and say they don't have a bias, and ultimately then get on the jury.
Now, again, the goal here is not to find people who haven't heard of the case. That would probably be pretty hard, but it's trying to find people who are willing to put aside what they have heard to only take into account what they hear during this trial. So far, the judge wants to see 6 additional, at least, jurors seated before this trial really gets underway. Reporting live this morning in Dedham, Matt Fortin, NBC 10 Boston.